Good day, welcome to Joaquin Dairy Farm. This is a 1 minute and 55 seconds tour in our farm. I hope you like it. So let's go. First, we have the bullpen, and besides the milking cows. We have the bullpen, milking cows. As of now, we have 8 milking cows and a total of 35 cattle heads in our farm. We do cut and carry every day, but before we feed the cows, we air dry the grasses. These are the grasses. We feed it to the cows after we air dry it, or at least overnight. We also have the dry cows. Some of our dry cows are already pregnant, 2 to 3 months pregnant. So these are the milking cows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We also have the calf pen and the heifer's pen. In front of these pens, we have the milking parlor, and we also have the hay barn besides the milking parlor. Also have the feeds, the concentrates. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video.